Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change.
Well, good morning, and today you catch us taking Ronnie out. We're going to go down to Stoke-on-Trent to see Craig's parents. We are going to do pub stopover in I think it's Broughton Arms, and we've been there a few times. It's a really nice park up. We'll show you a video of it just in case you're in the area and you think, oh, I'd like, you know, looks nice that, I'll stop over there. All they ask you to do is just go in, have a pint, buy a meal, and you can stay the night for free. It backs onto a canal, so you've got like ducks swimming up and down, and there's boats that go past. I believe we've not been there in summer, but I believe it's really nice in summer. So we will take you down there, and we'll show you around when we get there. We'll show you a few sceneries as we go along. If we see anything interesting, I'll pick the camera up. I know if Craig goes the way I think he might go, we'll be going past Snugburys. Now that's a lovely ice cream place, and it has, at the minute, they have a Paddington bear made out of straw. That looks nice. So I'll see if I can, anything that I can pick up that I think you might like to see, I will pick the camera up and show you. But join us on our travels as we drive down to Stoke-on-Trent in Ronnie, and we'll catch you on the ride. See you in a bit. Bye. Well, we're finally on the road, and we're just going to do a pit stop to get some diesel and our regular Greg's breakfast. Greg's, the new franchise. Although at the minute we're just on our way to go across the Britannia Bridge. I'll show you where we are now. So we're just coming up to the Britannia Bridge now.
One fire.
Okay.
For anybody who hasn't been over to Anglesey, there's two ways of getting over. There's the Menai straight bridge, and then there's the Britannia Bridge. So we'll just lie down. You can see it from here. We've got a lovely view of the mountains, Snowdonia Mountains, and just on cue, the traffic. This is what the traffic's like if you don't hit it at the right time during the day. So you end up in a load of traffic.
It moves quite quickly, don't it, to be fair? It's not like a lot of places. This does move. It's
Yeah,
just slow.
It does.
Nearby GB Energy, the return.
So what happened there? The radio decided not to come back on. As we slowed down, the radio went loud.
Eh?
As we slowed down, the radio went loud. It's strange.
So here we go. I'm just going over the Britannia now. And down below, where the railway is, there's two lions that sit at the side of the tracks. And over here we have, I don't know if you can see, Menai Straits. We've got a house in the middle. Don't know if you can see. Yeah, it's quite low, but there's still a good swirl on that.
You can see the Menai Bridge over there, yeah, in the distance.
Yeah, you can see the Menai in the distance. That's those going over the bridge. And then we're going to come off. We're going to go and get some diesel. So I'll catch you in a bit. Snugburys ice cream, and here he is, the all well-known Paddington Bear, and he's made out of hay.
Good, isn't it?
Isn't he? This is Paddington Bear.
Hello, Paddington Bear. Some very skillful people, aren't there?
Some very skillful people, like Craig said. They change it quite often, don't they? Normally it's a bumblebee. I'll put a picture in. But they also have little animals for children to look at, made out of straw and hay. So I'll put a picture of them in as well. It's a lovely place to go for perhaps an ice cream.
And a walk around.
And a walk around, because there isn't just the ice cream, there's other things you can look at as well. So yeah, so that was Paddington Bear. Well, we've made it to our destination, and tonight we're staying at the Broughton Arms. It's in Road East, Stoke-on-Trent. This is the car park, and Ronnie's there, and he's parked just the back of the canal. Look how far over he's hanging. Ooh, oh my god, look, there's a step there to stop it going any further. But if you look, you see, like I said before, there's actually boats on the back of the canal. Some people having a picnic over there. And you can have a picnic on the bank. And there's an actual bridge that you can walk across to get to the other side. This is a perfect stopover. Quite a few people come. I think there's enough for about 5 vans. But this is the pub. I'll show you the pub from the front. We've been here a few times. Because it's quite handy for us to stay when we go to Craig's mum's. So, and they do a really nice meal in there, and nice Guinness as well. Anyway, this is the main road as you come in, and this is the pub. So, if I go to the front, I'll show you the front of the pub. Because there's also parking at the front, but that's only for cars. If you come in your motorhome or your camper van, you have to park in the main bit. But here we are. That's nice. All day Thursday, steak and drink for £14.25. Wow. So this is the pub. It's quite nice to stay in, and then this is the bridge that you can go over to perhaps take a walk along the bank, or if you've got a dog you can take your dog down there for a little walk. It goes into the roadie fries. Looking out from the back, all them houses with the little gardens at the front. You can have a barbecue. Looks really nice. And then this is the other side. There's about 4 boats there, which is good. It's nice. Ronnie's over there in the distance. And then you can also take your dogs for a walk down here with all this grass at the back. You can take your dogs and have a kick about there. Or then you can go in here to the roadie rise. So, tells you a bit about it there, so I'll leave that in so you can see. Maybe I might take Max down there tomorrow and go for a walk. But that's the back of the pub, so you've got like an outside bit that you can stay and have a drink or have a meal, whatever you think you want to do. It's quite quiet at night as well, so you've got that peacefulness. So yeah, we love it here. It's a Marston's, but the food, like I said, the food is lovely from here. I think me and Craig will be going in later for something to eat. But, like I say, it's free to park as long as you go in. You can have a drink, have a meat, or have a meal. So we'll be staying here tonight. I'm not sure what we're doing tomorrow. Who knows? We could be anywhere. But we've just got in here just by the pension. That's at 20 to 4. So quite a lot of people do use this park up. It's quite nice. So it's quite busy, the car park at the minute. There's loads of cars. But there we are, in between 2 camper vans. There's Ronnie. So yeah, we'll take you in the pub later so you can have a look inside. I'll catch you later. Bye. So here we are, just going out for tea, and the lights are on. We're going in the Broughton Arms for tea.
This could be lush. Lush.
Oh,
it smells good, doesn't it?
I'll get the dog.
It smells lush here. So we're going to the Broughton Arms.
It's actually dog friendly, so you can take your dog.
Oh yeah, it's very dog friendly, yeah.
So we're going to take Max in for a steak.
What? Max having a steak? Max just had his tea. Max has definitely just had his tea. He's just had boiled chicken. So we're going through here now, look. Oh! So we can get some tea now. Popping through the and we're going to go inside and we're going to try and get some tea. So we found a table. Table 23. 23. So Max down now is enjoying himself with already.
So this is the pub. That's it in. We're just about to order food. Sorry about the noise, but it is quite loud. Quite a lot of people here, as you can imagine. It's a very big day, and everybody's coming out for a meal. So it is. Sorry about the noise, but this is the menu. I've opted for macaroni cheese for a starter, and I'm getting steak for the main. Craig is having the same, so we'll give you an update on our meal here. And we've got Max with us at the minute. He's down here being a good boy. Hello, say hello, Max. I will let you know when we is later. Okay, bye. So we're back at the van, and I couldn't give you an update there and then because the battery went on us. The meal was amazing, as always. We certainly will be going back again. But as far as the meal, the atmosphere, everything was just amazing. We had a really enjoyable night, and I think we've decided we're going to stay nearer Craig's parents tomorrow night. So we'll do another couple of pub stopovers, take you with us, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I look forward to speaking to you soon with Craig next time, because it was just me. Take care, everybody. Thank you to all the subscribers, and thank you for watching and supporting us. Have a good night. Goodbye. Bye.
Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change.